welcome back. So I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one's the new and latest Galaxy Z Fold 5 with a 512 gigabyte of storage, 12 gigabyte of RAM. This one has a Snapdragon 8th Gen 2, and it is S Pen compatible. And it has the latest 5G technology. And this one has a rear 50 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto 3x optical zoom, 30 times space zoom, and front camera has 10 megapixel, and then 4 megapixel main on the inner. So yeah, at first I wasn't planning to get this phone, and I was just browsing around, and they offered the black and then ice blue with additional $120 off. Plus, if you get the education offer program, you get additional off. So at first I tried to enter with the education offer program without trade-in, and they were going to give me $270 additional discount. But I figured if I trade in my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, I get $1,000 off, which is pretty good. Although I hardly use that phone and almost like a brand new. So they were going to give me the same value as a brand new one. So, which is an offer that I cannot resist or turn down. Because I have the Z Fold 3. And basically it's the same phone. But somehow my hinges, when I was playing with the Z Fold 5, it was much stiffer. So I'm going to test out the new hinge and see if it looks like this or not. So, plus I got the bubble on my display. But I love this phone very much when I watching like a movie or video or just surf on the net. Compared to my Samsung Note 20 Ultra, it is much better to use the main screen. So anyway, let's go and then unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so let's go and then open this up. Oops, there's my invoice in here. Yeah, so they used to give you like earbuds or whatever and mini laptop, but this time around they don't give you anything. There you go, Galaxy Z Fold 5. So all you need to do is just peel this sticker off. Then I just cut it. This same song right here. And give you a SIM eject tool, your charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and a quick start guide and term and conditions. And then that's it. I'm just going to slide it out. Let's see. Yeah, probably not going to allow me to slide out. I'm going to open it up. There you go. Wow. I use your fingerprint scanner right here, your volume up and down rocker. Your speaker, your microphone. USB Type-C charging port, microphone, another speaker. And here is your SIM card tray right there. You need to eject it with that tool so you can insert your existing or your new SIM card. Wow, it's much stiffer. See? Give you a side-by-side comparison real quick. So now this time it's folding flat. Camera setup is almost same except the wide. This one is 12 And then the new one's 50 megapixel. And then the flash is right here versus on the bottom here. And you can tell right there the hinge is much thinner. So everything should be all the same. Let's go ahead and power on the first time. Oh, that was like totally dead. Hope it's not DOA, you know. Yeah, so need to set it up. Anyway, it's just an unboxing video. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.